sunnah of reciting in Isha, that should be short. So what about the other salahs?
What about the other salah? Which the salahs, ya ikhwani, varies. The first of all, the Fajr is the longest. Fajr is the longest. You recite, Prophet Allah used to recite a long verse. Dhuhr is not as long as the Fajr, but it is. Prophet Allah used to recite one Najm, for example, in it, silently, of course. As for the Asr, should be equivalent to almost half. I mean, it's not supposed to be more than the Dhuhr prayer. Asr has to be half of the Dhuhr. Maghrib, Prophet of Allah, usually he would recite Tiwar al-Mufassal, Qisar al-Mufassal, from Surah Qaf onwards, but no problem if he recited more than that, because the Prophet of Allah, he recited once, At-Tul al-Tulayayn, which is Surah Al-A'raf. But if you want to do that, you have to warn the people for a week. Keep telling them, I'm going to be in such and such day, I'm going to do after Maghrib, Surah Al-A'raf. You have to tell them, prepare them, so they could really come, because nobody can really take Surah Al-A'raf. It's a long surah. So if somebody wants to revive that sunnah and tell the people and make it, maybe a warning on the wall before they come in, Surah Al-A'raf today, because we don't want to be complaining. Okay? And then it's only going to be half an hour before the Isha prayer. You finish it. Alhamdulillah. Jazakallah khair. But our Shaykh used to say, give warning to people that are not ready for that. You don't want a person or even a whole row leaving you while you are praying. Now, further.